What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and in today's video we're going to cover the thing that most people always wonder about. Every time that you open this door right here and you plug a charger in right here, how much money is it costing you? So we are going to cover that in today's video. All right, so let's get right into it. So at home, I am using a charge point charger. So the great thing about that is I'm able to download the data of my usage. So you can see here on the screen, I've got 2 months here, 2 months that were very heavily used out of the data set. So you can kind of see the cost of what I am paying for a particular period of time. And so let's jump right into it. So in the 6th month, which would have been June this year, of the year that this is recorded, which is 2024. And this is based off of the rates from my electric company, but at home, I charged for a total of about 547 kilowatts for about $57.31. Now, there are 2 instances where I did do some public charging. There is a free charger near my office where I do periodically charge. But on average, if we're looking here for the 2 months, on average, we're looking at about, and this is for an entire month, we're looking at just about $60 a month for charging. And that's driving about, we'll say, out of a 7-day week, maybe about 5 to 6 days worth of driving, and this is what I'm paying. So here is the data right in front here. If you have any questions about this, please drop them down into the comments. We'll have a conversation going here, but I just didn't know that it was so cheap. Again, this is a month, not a week. In 1 week, I could spend about probably $60 in gas alone just for 1 week, and that would be for the same 5 out of the 7 days. So here we have 2 full months of data. The data's there. Debate it with me if you'd like. Take it as it is. Again, these rates might vary based off of the electric company that's in your area. The rates are going to be different by region. But here's the data. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.